Hello, welcome. It's Ben here for Theratherm, just giving you a quick demonstration on how your heat pump should be kicking in and out. This is a installation of one of our Theratherm systems with a bypass and a 18.5 kilowatt Theratherm heater. Now, first of all, the heater is actually plumbed in series. So what you'll find is it will come out of the filter into the heater, out of the heater into the cell, and then back to the pool. Now what I'm going to do is the heat pump has been on previously, so you can see the fan is cooling down to shut down. But what I'm going to do, here we go, it's shut down. Now the on symbol is actually on the screen right now, but you can't see it because it's scattering. Now what we'll do is I'm going to manually turn the Theratherm chlorinator on by holding down the on manual button. Now the pump's going to start up on high. Now starting up on high, now the bypass hasn't been adjusted, but the reason for that is the pump ramps itself down to eco speed. Now you'll see here on the side of the Theratherm heater we are sitting on just over 250 or just under 250 psi inside the heater right now. Once the heater engages and the compressor kicks on, we should be succeeding up around 300 psi mark, and that's pretty much the correct running psi pressure that should be in there. If we're looking at bar, we want it over 2.2 bar, so where the 20 is, we want to succeed over the top of that to make sure the heater is actually working better. So right now the heater is actually not working, it's in standby, but in a few seconds we'll see it kick on. Kicking on, you'll hear the fan start, but it's not actually working when the fan starts, it's actually when the compressor kicks in. So hopefully you guys will be able to hear that while we watch the pressure gauge go up in a few seconds. So what I'll do is I'm going to ramp that pump down manually while we're looking at the pressure gauge. Now I've turned the pump pressure down. Reason being is these heat pumps actually work under low pressure, so you can run this heat pump around 120 litres per minute. So right now the system's running perfectly. We'll hear the heat pump kick in a minute. So the fan's kicked on. And now we'll find the compressor will kick in a minute. As you can see, the compressor's kicked in, so the gas has actually risen. We can readjust that by changing some of the bypass, slowing the water coming into the unit, and we can make it increase more. As you can see, I've just tightened up the valve at the top here by letting the water not coming out of the machine as much as it should. So we're slowing the flow coming out of the machine by generating more pressure inside the exchange, where all the water actually gets heated. Now if I feel the discharge pipe, it was actually quite warm compared to the going in. So what I'm going to do is going to release that a little bit more and slowly tighten up the water that's going into it. So it should rise. As you can see, I'm making it rise and getting the correct pressure inside the heater unit. Now right now that's perfect. We're getting the heater to work at its best capabilities right now. The machine itself is heating the water, and I'm going to step back right now and have a look at the bypass, the way it's actually situated. As you can see, it's situated, both valves are on a 45-degree angle, so we're actually bypassing the water coming up and out to the cell, back down into the pool. Now, as you can see, this is a full Theratherm system, so what we've done is I've actually set up the pump on eco, but it's actually running at 1420 revs per minute, variable speed, so we can actually adjust it to get the best out of this equipment. We're heating the pool right now. On the screen it actually says 28 degrees, the water is, even though you can't really see it, and it will slowly go up as the day progresses. Thanks for tuning in to watch this. Thank you.